Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make custom icons without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So here we're gonna use the inbuilt Microsoft Paint software. So just open the Paint software. And now you need to select the pixel size. So on the screen you can see right now the different pixel size. So depending upon your needs you can select the pixel size here. So for this just click on this icon and now just select these pixels. So here I'm gonna select 256 into 256 pixels. So you can select depending upon how much pixel size you want to choose for your needs. And once you're done, click on OK. So now if you want to add grid lines here instead of this plain background, then you can just click on this view and you can select the grid lines also if you want grid lines for your convenience. So here I'm gonna use a plain background, so I'm not gonna use a grid line. So if you want to use a grid lines, then you can use the grid lines also. And now you can select the respective 7 size or the pencils, whichever you want to choose. So yeah, I'm gonna select some available shapes. So once you're done with your design, you can just click on this file and you can choose this shape as. So you can select depending upon your needs which image format you want to choose. So if you want a high quality icon, then you can just click on this BMP picture for the highest quality and give the file name. So I'll just give icons. Now put the extension .ico and keep the save as type as .bmp. Click on save. You can see on the desktop screen. Now you may see here it's not a transparent one, right? So if you want a transparent one without a background, then just select this remove background option. Just click on it. Now you can see the background has been removed. Now just click on this file. Once again just click on this save as and just select the PNG picture and give a file name with the extension .ico and keep the save as type as PNG and click on save. Now you can see we have a transparent icon. Now you might be thinking how to apply this icon on any software icon. So for this, just right mouse click on the respective software icon and click on this properties. Now select this shortcut option and below you can see your change icon option. Just click on it. Now just click on this browse. So in my case it's in the desktop, so I'll just select this transparent one. Click on open. Click on OK, click on apply. So by using this method, you can easily make custom icons without using any third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.